Mordina, welcome to the Future Napier Committee for the 18th of May. I have the same apologies in Councillor Taylor, Councillor Simpson and Councillor Crown. I have a mover in Councillor Mawson, seconded by Councillor Brown. All those in favour please say aye. Aye. Any opposed? Carried. Call for any conflicts of interest. There being none. No further announcements from the Mayor? No announcements by myself. Management? No. Call for any minor matters not on the agenda. There being none. We have no minutes to confirm today, so we will... Oh, sorry. My run sheet. So I have minutes to confirm from April 6, 2003. Can I have a mover that those be taken as a true and accurate record? Moved by Councillor Crystal, seconded by Councillor Bogue. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. All right, I will move into our first agenda item, and I'll ask Rachel if you would like to introduce.
Yeah, kia ora koutou. I'd just like to take this opportunity to introduce Christina Bunny. It's her first time in front of you today. So Christina has recently taken up the team leader for our planning team role while Luke is in my role, while I'm in Richard's role. So you can see how this works. Yeah. But Christina's been with us for quite a while now. She works in the office a couple of days a week and otherwise works from home because she lives in Taupo. So, but we're really lucky to have her, and yeah, she's going to go through the paper with you today.
Thank you, Rachel. Kia ora, as Rachel said, Christina Bunny, and I'm currently the acting team leader of resource consents planning. Through the chair, I was just going to take this report as read and ask for any questions. Or you ask me.
Thank you. So, councillors, you'll see we have an update on a range of applications for consent, just noting that these are obviously for our information purposes. They're currently under review for decision by the team, so we just need to keep any questions that we have to a procedural focus. But just going around the room, seeing if there are any points of clarification needed.
No, just please,
Councillor Bogue.
sorry, yes, through you, Madam Chair. Just the map on page, on page 10. I just wondered what some of those things meant about activate, for example. What does that mean?
Which one of those maps?
Oh, the top one on
The
page
top
10.
one? Figure 7?
Figure 7, is it? Figure what? Figure 7, yes.
So figure 7 is in relation to an application that we're currently considering on one lister. Is that?
Yeah, that's
Yep.
the one.
Yeah. This is an image that was included in the application that I've included for your information so that you could get a visual perspective of what's being lodged. Does that answer your question?
Oh, what does activate mean? Does activate with
activate.
lines and arrows?
That's in terms of an urban design kind of comment around activating street frontage. It's just the words that are used in the application that we're assessing to show where street frontages are and what they're activating. That's my understanding.
Sorry, Christina, is that usually where they will put in like landscaping and things to improve the look of that street frontage?
Yeah, or windows in terms of, or differentiating. Sometimes they look at a building facade and they provide different materials or a way to activate the street frontage from an urban design response perspective.
To beautify.
Cool, thank you.
All right. If we don't have any further questions, I'll ask for a mover to receive the report.
Just before you do, sorry, I just wanted to draw to your attention that the Emerald Hills or the Mission Hills subdivision is in front of you again. So this is the more substantive consent for the first stage. And what we would like to do is to ask the developers to present to you at the next Future Napier on the whole offering for Mission Hills and give you a bit of a schematic, if you like, of their intentions. This is a project that will be going over many years and many stages, so it'd be good to give you that whole view, and then when you see these things coming, you'll know where that fits in. So we'll organise that for the next Future Napier meeting.
So, thank you for the offer, Rachel. I'm interested if the committee thinks that would be of value that we extend that invitation and request. Yeah, seeing lots of nods. So perhaps we'll just add that to our resolution as well. Request an invitation be made to the developers of Emerald Hills to present their proposal to the committee. I'm happy to move A and our new B. If there is a seconder, thank you, Councillor Tariha. No comments from me, any from yourself?
No comments from me.
Thank you. Anyone else wish to speak to the motion? There being none, I will put it. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Carried. Thank you, Christine.
Oh, thank you very much. Nice to meet you all.
Nice. Kia ora.
And that is the end of our Future Napier Committee. So I will close the meeting. Thank you.